Hey guys, here's a little short video for you. If you ever wondered what these holes right here on your trash can is used for, might be used for a lot of things, but this is what I think they'll be used for. You have these type of bags. Go ahead and put those in here. I start in the back. Pull through there. Open that up. Kind of hold it. Wrap that around. Then on this side, that hole, stick this in there. Grab on the bottom. Kind of pull it, tighten it up. That's what it is. You stick it in your trash can, and it's nice and clean and tight. Just something if you did not know. I'm gonna have some more videos like this. So things that you might not know how to use, what they're used for, but there you go. Hopefully this helped somebody out there. If it did, go ahead and please give it a like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, have a blessed day. Bye.